For my friends that want aromatherapy support on the go, you need to learn the magic of turning essential oils into an aromatherapy inhaler. Let's make one together. Hi, I'm Katie Veldkamp, co-founder of Simply Earth and certified aromatherapist, and I love teaching people how to turn essential oils into products they can use every day, like this inhaler that we are about to make. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own aromatherapy inhaler. An aromatherapy inhaler is on-the-go aromatherapy support. You can add essential oils to a wick that is in this inhaler, and then when you take a deep breath, you'll get the calming support of those essential oils. This recipe is called Calm as a Creamsicle from Simply Earth. Before I tell you what you need, I just want to make sure you know at Simply Earth we are obsessed with making it super easy to use essential oils to make your own natural products. And that's why we have the Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box, which can get you the ingredients you need to make this recipe delivered right to your door. We cover a new theme every month, and when you subscribe, we'll even throw in a big bonus box. You can also find the ingredients I'm using at simplyearth.com. Let's get started. I'm going to be grabbing my ingredients from the Simply Earth Recipe Box. For this recipe, you will need an aromatherapy inhaler, 2 drops of timber essential oil blend, which is really calming, and 6 drops of blood orange essential oil, which is very uplifting. You'll also want some labels. The combination of essential oils in this recipe smell amazing, so I'm going to teach you how to make a 5 milliliter blend of it so you can refresh this aromatherapy inhaler whenever you need to. To make this aromatherapy inhaler, we're going to first take out the cotton wick that is hidden inside of this inhaler. And to do that, we need to remove this bottom circle or the base of the inhaler. And to do that, I'm going to use this little tool to get under the lip of this base to pop it off. You can also use a spoon or anything similar. To my inhaler, I'm going to add 6 drops of blood orange and 2 drops of timber essential oil blend. Now this is undiluted essential oils, which if I touch with my hands can be pretty irritating. So I've got these little tools that I'm going to use like tweezers to pick it up and put it back in my inhaler. I'm just going to put it back in my inhaler and place the base back on. To use this inhaler, just place it near your nose and take a deep breath. And you can do this on both sides of your nose or just near your nose. Don't put it inside your nose, which I see people do sometimes. That can be really irritating to your nose. Keep it outside of your nose and just take a deep breath and enjoy the calming and uplifting aroma. Over time, the essential oils on this inhaler will evaporate and it will smell less strong and eventually not smell at all. And we can refresh it as needed by adding more drops of essential oils to that cotton wick. To make that super easy, I'm going to make a master blend of this recipe. To do that, I'm going to add 25 drops of timber and 75 drops of blood orange. I'll put on the cap, screw it on all the way, then shake it up a bit to get those essential oils blended together, and then I will add a label. To use this master blend, I'll just add a few drops to the cotton wick inside the inhaler. You can also use this master blend in your diffuser or in other DIY recipes. Since essential oils naturally contain pigments, over time, the cotton wick in your inhaler may need to get replaced. We have replacements for those cotton wicks on our website. I love to see your creations on social media, so when you make this aromatherapy inhaler, take a picture and share it with hashtag #IMadeThis and tag from Simply Earth, and you can be entered into our monthly $5 Simply Earth gift card giveaway. Follow for more recipes just like this, and if you want to turn your natural ingredients into natural products, check out the Simply Earth Recipe Box today.